Hello, my name is Liana Ramírez. I am the parents of my family. They are the taller than me. My brother Julian is taller than my dad. He is older than mom. My sister is married of my family. My brother Jonathan is older than me. My sister and me might have a similar KF. She is similar to my mom. My father is different to my mother. Erika is the family of the family. My sister to my left hand is the father is my father. My father is Spain, then my brother Julian. He is intelligent to me. My brother room is master of the men. He is sister of the Jonathan. We are the messenger, the parents of my grandfather. We are the happy family. My dad drives the car of my mom. She is wiser than that. My sister tells me the center of Tunja with difference and me. Thank you.